Welcome to Food Facts for You, where we explore the world of food and its impact on our health and the environment. Today, we're delving into a topic that's often overlooked, the ubiquitous plastic coffee cup. Many of us rely on these convenient vessels for our daily caffeine fix, but are they really harmless? Let's find out. Certainly, when discussing the materials used in plastic coffee cups, it's important to highlight the specific concerns associated with them. Plastic coffee cups, often manufactured using polyethylene or polystyrene, are favored for their convenience and affordability. However, these materials can pose substantial health risks due to their composition. Polyethylene, while widely used and considered generally safe for food contact, can still leach harmful chemicals when exposed to heat, such as the high temperatures of hot beverages like coffee. Polystyrene, another common material in disposable cups, contains styrene, a compound classified as a possible human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC. When hot liquids come into contact with polystyrene cups, there's a higher risk of styrene leaching into the beverage, which may lead to health concerns. This clarification helps emphasize how these specific materials, though popular in cup production, have their own inherent risks when it comes to using them for hot beverages like coffee. Research has highlighted alarming findings regarding the leaching of chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates from plastic coffee cups into hot beverages. These compounds are known as endocrine disruptors, which means they have the potential to interfere with the body's hormonal balance when ingested. When these cups are exposed to heat, whether through the brewing process or exposure to sunlight, the chances of these chemicals leaching into the coffee significantly increase. BPA, once widely used in plastics, has been a focal point due to its ability to mimic estrogen in the body. Even low levels of BPA exposure have been linked to adverse health effects, including reproductive issues, developmental problems, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Similarly, phthalates, which are often added to plastics to increase flexibility and durability, have raised concerns due to their potential health risks. These compounds have been associated with hormone disruption, affecting reproductive health, and possibly leading to other health complications. The combination of these chemicals leaching into a hot beverage, like coffee, presents a worrisome scenario where regular consumption may inadvertently introduce these endocrine disruptors into the body, potentially causing a range of health issues. This expansion emphasizes the specific risks associated with these chemicals leaching into hot beverages and their potential impact on human health. Moreover, prolonged exposure to these chemicals has been linked to reproductive problems, increased risk of certain cancers, and even developmental issues in children. While some manufacturers have shifted away from using BPA due to health concerns, other chemicals in plastics can still pose risks. Experts say that plastic coffee cups not only pose health risks, but also contribute significantly to environmental pollution. These cups are often used for a few minutes and then discarded, ending up in landfills or as litter in our oceans and waterways. Their decomposition process can take hundreds of years, releasing harmful toxins into the environment. So, what can we do to mitigate these risks? Opting for alternatives like reusable coffee cups made from glass, stainless steel, or BPA-free materials can significantly reduce our exposure to harmful chemicals. Not to mention, it's a more sustainable choice. By investing in a reusable cup, we not only safeguard our health, but also play a part in reducing the staggering amount of single-use plastic waste generated every day. In conclusion, while the convenience of plastic coffee cups is undeniable, it's crucial to be aware of their potential health risks and environmental impact. Making a conscious switch to reusable alternatives is a small yet impactful step toward a healthier future for ourselves and our planet. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, every choice we make shapes the world we live in. Until next time, stay informed and make mindful choices. Bye.